Guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Megan with Simply Megan Plans, and in this video I am decorating my catch-all planner for the week of October 16th through the 22nd, 2023. I am using my regular layout, which is the vertical classic size, and I'm using this Happy Holi-yays sticker book. It came from the seasonal Be Happy box that came out in the fall of 2022, so it was last year. I started with putting this washi up at the top that actually came with it, but the colors in it actually don't really match, which is questionable, but I just pulled it up and went ahead and just put the sticker strips that are physically in the sticker book instead of the washi, so no big deal. But I went ahead and put that up there just so that it all matches, and because that washi has like pinks and bright yellows and stuff, so it was not the vibe. So I put this quote down at the bottom left corner, which is saying start each day with a grateful heart, super cute. And then that girl that's like cozy on a chair, ugh, I can't even. So I put that down. So I'm gonna have two different sections, one with like stuff that's going on this week, and then one with like important to-do lists. So then there are some things going on this week, but I don't know exact timing. So I tentatively was like trying to move things around. Look at that girl. She has red hair, which is totally me. So I was super excited to put that one down. But yeah, there's a few things happening, like especially this weekend, that are going on, but I don't have exact times. So I may end up moving some of those colorful boxes around. But that is it. Super quick one. I'm trying to keep it quick for y'all. Here is going to be the close-up. I'm super happy with it. Love fall themes. Totally obsessed. But let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.